Hi everyone, welcome back into the channel. I want to talk to you all for just a minute. I'm going to take this particular blob of color here and I'm going to turn it into a beautiful rose. And what I want to do is I want to walk you through those techniques. Now, we have a lot of people that are joining our channel here that are beginners. Oh, I'm a beginner, I just want to. And I don't want to do so advanced videos here that I discourage beginners. So I've always loved teaching beginners and showing them how to see color and how to, what kind of techniques they can use to improve their artistic journey. But I also want some of you who have been painting with me on the channel for a long time to stay with us and keep going. So how do I do that? And we do have an answer. The family and I have, we've come up with an answer, and that is we have a secondary channel called Paint It Simply, and we're going to activate that channel again, and we're going to move some of our beginning core lessons, concept lessons that help you refine your eye, show you specific techniques, over to our Paint It Simply channel. Okay, at the end of this video here, I'll put a link to the Paint It Simply channel. So you just go over to the end, click that, and you'll go to the channel. On that channel today, I'll be uploading this rose. I'm taking this blob and turning it into a beautiful rose through a wonderful technique called hand tone. And if we get enough subscribers over there, and we need enough subscribers so that the channel can get active and so we can make it so that we can, basically we do everything for free. So we have to have a certain amount of subscribers, a certain amount of time watching it that can pay for video time. That's the bottom line of it. And if we get enough over there, and if you go over there and subscribe and support that channel, then we'll be able to do that. And then on this particular channel, I can continue with some of the great studies that I want to do. For example, Couchoir. I want to go back into Couchoir. I've done them a couple of times. And on this channel, I can focus in on some intermediate to really advanced techniques. And like Couchoir, we can take a look at that 19th century beautiful French Impressionist that was so instrumental in developing some of the techniques that I paint here, okay? So I'm going to take this and I'm going to surprise you. I'm going to turn this into a beautiful rose and maybe a couple other little flowers I'll show you. I'm going to do it pure acrylic, no mediums, no blending, halftone technique, so I can teach you visually how to see it, and we'll do it over on the Paint It Simply channel. So come on over there and do that, and don't forget to subscribe to that channel. We get enough subscribers onto that channel, then we'll start studying Couchoir. We'll also start studying some of the great 19th century landscape painters, and we'll be able to advance this channel even further, okay? All right, I'll see you guys over on Paint It Simply. We're going to go paint this rose.